Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all the fidgets that I've collected so far. I have a few more in my room. But guess what I did with them? I lost them. Yep, that's right. And so, yeah. Make sure you like. Wow. Okay. Make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, just so you know, just please don't mind my hair. I didn't just wake up. I woke up like 2 hours ago and I still haven't gotten ready, so yeah. That's me. Now let's actually get right into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna set up the camera angle like this so you're probably not gonna be able to see my eyes. I'm just gonna show you fidget after fidget. I have this whole entire basket of fidgets. So yeah, here we go. This is just gonna be, oh, that was so weird. Okay, this is just gonna be a short little video. Here we go. So the first fidget is this breathing ball. Yeah, I need to move the camera back a little bit. Okay, the breathing ball. I like this. And tell me guys, well, I can't talk today. And tell me if you have this fidget at your home. This is going to be a question that I ask you for every single fidget, but it has to be exactly the same. So you can't just have a blue and black one or something. Do you have a pink and black breathing ball at home? Alright, on to the next one. Alright, now this is a very old cake squishy my neighbor actually gave to me. And I took it because it was squishy and stuff. But tell me if you have just any cake squishy at home. And yeah, on to the next fidget. Alright, so this is another squishy. And for this one, I'm going to say do you have a white squishy bunny at home? If you do, then give this video a like. And yeah. I like, even though this is probably animal torture or animal abuse, I twist it and then just wait for it to go back up. It takes so long. Yeah, it, like, sometimes I try to help it at least, but it's like, nope. Yeah, just taking forever. Let's just move on to the next one. Alright, next is a puppet. This is one of my I only have 2 puppets, but this is one of my bad ones. And this side is the terrible side and the quiet side. And then there's a louder side, I guess, but it's not very loud. So tell me if you have a Galaxy Poppet at home. And then this is the other side. That's a good idea. I should do ASMR on every single one also. So if that's the Galaxy Puppet, give me a like and subscribe. No like. Well, you can't give me a like if you want. But turn on those post notifications for me if you have this at home. On to next. This is my Among Us puppet. Among Us is definitely dead now, but I'm actually on the good side, so let's do an ASMR. Alright, now the other side. Alright, tell me if you have an rainbow Among Us puppet at home. And yeah, moving on to the next bout. Alright, now, this is one of my bad fidgets, honestly. It's terrible. Oh my gosh, I can't stop it. Oh, wait, what? I have one mixed up. Now I have to fix it. See, because the green is in the blue, and the blue is in the green. And so I have to fix that real quick. That does not fit there. That does. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's fixed, and it's like, no. Tell me if you have one of these fidget ball thingamajigs at home. And yeah, it's on to the next one. Alright, the next one is wacky tracks. Woohoo! And yeah, I got 2 wacky tracks in my fidget packet, but sometimes I like to make a humongous puppet. Pop. Girl. I can't talk. Humongous. Large wacky track. Yeah. Let me know if you do this ever. And yeah, one more thing. And so, oh my gosh, my camera angle is, there we go, that's better. Yeah, let me know if you have a wacky track at home and what color it is, or I think there's only blue and green with orange, but there might be more, and I don't know that, but, yeah, on to the next, I guess. Okay, I'm doing all 3 of these together. Marble mashes. Tell me if you have a pink marble mash, blue marble mash, or a yellow marble mash at home. Let's see if we can do ASMR. Doesn't make a noise, really. So, on to the next. Alright, so next is mochi. Mochi, same thing. Mochi. And I have 2 more of these, but they're somewhere over there. So I have my pink kitty cat, and don't know what this is. The eyes kind of fell off. So yeah, let me know if you have a mochi at home or mochis. Yeah. Oh no, it ripped. No, this is my favorite one. Oh, I'm gonna have to take very good care of these then. Alright. Oh my god. Jeez. On to the next one. Alright, so next one is this little thingamajiggy. I got it at Dollar Tree, so of course it already broke, but I just keep this for like a texture thing that I can keep in my hand. Like foldy, yeah. That's what I use at school. But then this, weird. So yeah, on to the next thing. Alright. So I got this from my neighbor also. And it's this fidget thing. It kind of broke, so I just use this for one, like when I'm out in public, so it's smaller, but I still love using it. And then this one when I'm at home, larger, and yeah. On to the next one, baby. Monkey noodles. Got a purple monkey noodle. Got a blue monkey noodle. Got a pink monkey noodle. Yeah, so I have a purple, a blue, pink. Tell me if you have any of those colors at home. And yeah, on to the next one. Gosh, keep dropping. Too cool. Transition. Cool. Oh my God. So, why am I whispering? Okay. I got these little texture things. They're really cool. I keep them on my wrist sometimes, so it's cute, and it's a fidget. So, tell me if I have any of these at home. To next. Oh, I forgot to transition. Let me read. I don't even know if I did the fidget spinner one. I'm just gonna redo that. So I have this one. Tell me if you have any fidget spinners at home. I have this one, the Lemon Dream Boston one, and watermelon. So let's move on. Alrighty, I have two things to go with this. I have a fidget pad and a fidget cube. So on the fidget cube, it has a rolly ball and some like gear things, remote control thing, spinny thing, and fingerprint. And it also has light switch and just buttons you can press. And on the fidget pad, buttons, little remote control, spinny things, this texture, and this, and spinny thing. Yeah, so on to the next. Alright, yes, a simple dimple. I had a simple dimple with 3 little puppy things that I traded for the fidget cube and this. So yeah, it was a pretty good trade in my opinion. That was my first time fidget trading, and it was with my softball teammate. It was amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't stop pounding. Okay, there's more. Weird AF. So yeah, that was it. Oh, wait, I have 2 more. Let's just do these 2 together. Let's move on. Right, I have a bike chain and a pea popper. Yeah, so that's it. I don't know why I say this. Moving on to the outro. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And yeah, watching this video.